Good day, students. I am teacher Jenny, and I'm here to discuss with you our lesson for today, differentiate biases from prejudices. Let's start. What is bias? Bias means a tendency to favor a person, group or thing, or point of view over another, often in an unfair way. So when we say bias, you are being unfair or you have your favorites or what they call favoritism. For example, female teachers give more attention to girls. Let me give you another example. Christy won the beauty contest because one of the judges is her father. There are common types of biases. The first one is anchoring bias. It occurs when people rely too much on pre existing information or the first information they find when making decisions. For example, if you first see a pair of shoes that cost 1,500 pesos and then see a second one that costs 300 pesos, you're prone to see the second pair of shoes as cheap. The second one is confirmation bias. It is a tendency of people to favor information that confirms their existing beliefs. For example, you're a dog lover who believes that dogs are better than cats. Now, when someone says cats are better than dogs, which is the opposite of what you believe in, the tendency is that you will search for information that will support what you believe. And the third one is halo effect. It is a type of cognitive bias whereby our perception of someone is positively influenced by our opinions of that person's other related traits. It is also referred to as the physical attractiveness stereotype, and the what is beautiful is also good principle. Physical appearance is often a major part of the halo effect. For example, people who are considered attractive tend to be rated higher on other positive traits as well. After discussing what bias is, including some of its types, let's proceed to prejudice. What is prejudice? Prejudice is an unfavorable opinion or feeling formed beforehand or without knowledge, thought, or reason. It simply means prejudge others. When we say prejudice, you are being judgmental or you're discriminating against someone. For example, it is sometimes assumed that someone who is physically disabled is also mentally disabled. Another example, Jane is not included in the dance group because she is fat. Here are some types of prejudice. The first one is racism. It is the idea that groups of people exhibit different personality, characteristics, and can be separated based on the dominance of one race over another. For example, black people are not offered with jobs in countries dominated by white people because their skin color is black. The second one is sexism. It is a form of prejudice based on sex or gender. For example, long before, women are considered weak and lack the strength and ability to do the work of men. The third one is classicism. It is a prejudice based on social class or grouping of individuals based on wealth, occupation, income, education, and social network. For example, the idea that the poor are uneducated and do not help our country and therefore should not be treated well by the government.